together. You grew up together. Oo, pag sa 15 years and next year, 20 years na lang sa atin, right? So, Joey, ano message natin kay Kuya Kim bago tayo...
Malakas naman ang boses ko sa
Oo nga. Well, nakita namin, some of the videos here are the first videos that we have before. Like, yung mukha mo nun, taba mo ba nun? Kasi noong time na yun, we're preparing for our first Ironman race. It's a half Ironman race sa Cebu. First in Cebu, doon kami nag-meet. It's just about, nakita ko lang si Kim noong time na yun, he's wearing a watch na gamit ng mga triathlete. Wala pa yung relog yung sa Philippines. So, doon ko na-realize na this might be something na pang long term kasi parang masabi ko, match made in heaven already. We started there and who would know that 15 years after we'll still be together. At of course, yun ang tumitigil yung doon. Of course, syempre sa akin parang my message ako dito Kim, to the entire Sunday family. Parang we've been together for with Kim 15 years with the Sunday family. This year will be our 19th year. We've been together through thick and thin, ups and downs, pandemic, lahat ng mga dilubyo inabutan natin. But we're still here. We're still here believing that there can be something even better year after year. And we're very thankful because I always believe that there's a divine intervention here. We're here for a reason. We're here not only for the betterment of our family, but to help more and more people. Not only in the Philippines, but globally. Initially, it started in the Philippines for the Filipino market, but right now, we're inspiring a lot of different nationalities. I've been receiving a lot of messages from our Indonesia team, and these are Indonesians, and they're excited to see you all next week during our regional travel in Singapore. So, it's not only about one single nationality, but it's about a company believing that someday we can inspire and make a mark in the global arena. A Filipino company. So, we're proud of that. And thank you to him for partnering with us, di ba? 15 years, I can imagine pag 30 years anniversary ng partnership natin. Dapat fit na fit pa rin tayo ng 30.
Kuya Kim, ano po ang masasabi niyo sa Sante family?
Magandang na hali sa inyo lahat. Ako believe that banking is an accident. Banking is an accident. It's been planned and everything's been ordained by the Lord. For instance, ngayong araw nito, kung kailan meron tayo kapag hindi, nasira ang aircon na dito. Ang init, di ba? At the same time, ang temperatura sa labas, ibabot ng 41 to 42 degrees Celsius ang init. Napaka-init. Mainit sa labas, mainit sa loob. Hindi lang may mati. Ibig sabihin, kung langit na taon, napaka-init nila ng sales sa sabi. But, I also believe that nothing is permanent will change. I remember when I started out on television about 22 years ago, pag merong press ko na ganito, punong-puno ang venue ng malalaking camera. Camera malaki pa eh. Malaki kagami. Tapos yung mga natin, mga press natin na channel, ang mga pinalaking cameraman. At ang camera mo nalang ito, SNR, makapag-TV. So punong-puno, about one half of the venues to huge equipment. Nowadays, isa lang ang camera. Sabi Marty ba yan? Because you're not equipped with your telephones. Everything is taken by your telephone, everything is written by the phone, everything is delivered by the phone. Ang labag ngayon, online. Online. So I can see the direction that Santi Marty is going also. Because of all the Marty companies in the Philippines, Santi is the most flexible, the most magaling adjust, mabilis mag-adjust. And I can see success in Sunday this year because we shall really go online all the way, passionately, and quick on this. So I'm excited to be a part of it because it's my 15th year with Sunday Marty. And kung ano nasasabihin ko, nasabi na lang sa video eh. Kasi say the things, the same thing over and over and over every year. Siguro ano na lang. That first video you saw, medyo matababa ko. That was the time when Joey and I were training for Cebu Ironman 70.3. Matala kami pareho kasi simula ko lang tayo yun eh. Ano tayo mamayat. Pero mukhang gubat, di ba? Para kami mga lawin sa gubat. Ano yung station yun? Sa gilid ng Parks and Wildlife sa Quezon City, gubat. And then, maganda ng video kasi two time, umaya tayo ng umayat, kasi nakakilang tayo pa lang kami. And then one video there, Joey and I were running in Central Park. It was our last 10K before our New York Marathon, our first New York Marathon. So, ganun Kasi, ngayon nga, sila pa natin Joey yun. Now it's the kids of Joey that are very active already on Sunday. Kaya eventually ako rin. As he said, this is a partnership of friendship that will spend time, 15 years, good times, bad times, challenging times, easy times. And I'm excited for the times to come because I know it will be good. So, thank you and thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. And maraming salamat. Excited to work with Sandy again. Passionately, wholeheartedly, this family. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Salamat, Kuya Kim, Mr. Joey. Siyempre, alam natin si Sunday International at si Kuya Kim ang dalawa sa pinaka-pinagkakatiwalaan ng mga Pilipino. At palakpakan po natin sila. Next year, 20 years na po ang Sunday. Abangan natin na, Sir Joey, malaking celebration. Pero buksan ko muna yung floor for a few questions. Later, mas makaka